If you love shrimp and cheese, you need to try this Greek classic. Juicy prawns cooked in a rich tomato sauce and topped with creamy, salty feta. Let's make this delicious Greek dish. First, peel and devein the shrimp, removing the shoals and the dark vein along the back. Heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until soft and translucent. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the oregano, chili flakes, salt, and black pepper. Stir well to combine and let the spices release their aroma. Now add the chopped tomatoes and white wine. Stir well to combine. Let the sauce simmer gently, allowing the flavors to come together. Add the shrimp and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they're pink, opaque, and cooked through. Sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese generously over the shrimp, letting it melt slightly into the rich tomato sauce. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and serve hot with some crusty bread for dipping into that delicious tomato and feta sauce. It's a delicious Greek dish featuring juicy, tender shrimp cooked in a rich and flavorful tomato sauce with garlic, oregano, and a hint of chili. It's topped with creamy, salty crumbled feta and fresh parsley.